All right, welcome back. So today we're going over strings. Now, like strings, well, the print statements video that we did a while back, it's pretty similar, but we're going to be dissecting strings in this video. So, classic, we're going to go with our name as Larry, and let's say we have a number, which is 100. So obviously, this is our string, this is our integer. And we can verify this both by saying print type of name, and we'll do the same with number. Okay. So you can believe me when I say that name is a string and number is an integer. Now we can change this, and this is casting. This is called casting. So let's say I do string of 100. Now we have both are strings this time. Both of them are strings. Okay, so that being said, let's keep our name as Larry, and let's print, let's say len, which is our length. This will give me the length of our name. So I'll clear this. It's 5. There are 5 characters. No disputing that. There are 5 characters in this. So let's say, let me keep that there. Let's say we have an if L in, not is, you can't have is, in our name, then we'll print, well, yep, L is in there. It is. So we have in this print 5, our length, and yeah, L is in there. Now, if I said lowercase l, let's see if this is going to print. And no, it's not, because it is being very precise. This L does not show up in Larry. Even though the first letter starts with an L, it must be capital. Now, if I switch it like that, it's going to tell me L is in there. Very cool. So if I said L, now let's do it the other way. Let's say capital L. Not in name, then we'll do capital L is not in there. Boom. So this time it works. Okay. So you can check if certain things are inside of strings just using ifs and just using the phrase in or not in if you care if something is not in there. So something very cool that you can use to, let's say you want to evaluate these strings and go piece by piece. This is called slicing. So let's say for letter, like each letter in our name, we will print our letter. So for each piece, we'll print L, A, R, R, and Y. Well, we still have the 5 there. I should probably comment that out so it's not too distracting. Clear it, and we're going to have L, A, R, R, Y. So that's each thing. So let's take this as space, because we're going to count from 0 and up. Let's say space 0, space 1, space 2, space 3, and space 4. So we've counted 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That is 5 characters still. Let that be said. Okay. So let's say I want character 0, character 1, character 2, character 3, character 4. Let's say I want to choose each one. So we will have to do something like name, and these 2 brackets will give me the ability to check at a specific index, a specific location in the name. So let's say 0. At space 0, I will want to print name at space 0. So let's see what it gives me. It gives me the L. Give me the 1. It'll give me A. And so on up until space 4, which gives me the Y. Okay. Now, let's say let's say we want each piece to be printed. So we'll do for, let's say for our index, in the range starting from 0 until the end, because every string will start at 0, at place 0. And the end, well, that depends on the length of it. So let's use our length. So let's go for up until the end. So if it says 5, it's going to go up until 5, but not include number 5. So that works perfectly because we're counting 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 for our string Larry. So this will go from 0 up until 4. So I'm going to print name at our index. And now we get to see our length of 5 and each letter there. So I'm going to say the length of our string, like that, space it out, and now you're going to believe me. The length of our string is 5, there's capital L, so pretty much at space 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, that is our index numbers. So let's say I do A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V. Let's just go up to there, because that's too much time. You get 22 letters in here. There's up to 22. And you get each one of them at space 0 and at space 21, because we're not including 22. We count from 0 and up, so we're going to have one less. So, yeah, that is pretty much how you slice a string and how you evaluate strings as well. So, thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully you learned something from it.